How is everybody doing today? I have a very special company to talk to you guys about. A company that I really believe in. And I'm going to talk to you guys why. Okay? Because I believe that Dynacert is one of the most powerful, exciting investment opportunities I've come along in a very long time. And in fact, I believe so much in it, I've invested in it multiple times. And what has happened here today? Well, let's look at it today. What do you see happening with Dynacert today, everybody? What do we see happening in the market today? As we speak, Dynacert is starting to explode. Let's take a look at what's going on in Canada. Look at this, guys. Dynacert is hitting 97 cents. Now, for those of you guys that don't know anything about this company, this is a company that I've been watching since it was at 8 cents. Now, 8 cents on the Canadian exchange. So, this company has gotten a US listing as well under the symbol DYFSF. Let's take a look at the US symbol. Also take a look at Fannie Mae today, guys. FNMA, currently up 7.3%. One of the companies that I think has huge potential, and it's currently up 7% today. So put your eye on it. Make sure it's on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Put FNMA on your watch list and make sure it's on your radar. Now, I really like Dynacert. And I've been watching it and I've been dating it. And we've gotten to really know each other a lot over the year. Now, I started looking at Dynacert in August when a friend of mine, Paulo, came to me and told me I got to look at this company. At the time, it was at 8 cents, and I thought he was crazy. And I told him, yeah, you know, stocks, I hear that every day that stocks are going to go up. Yeah, they reduce carbon emissions. They reduce fuel emissions. They're safer for the environment. Great. You know, I've heard it all before. You know, I don't believe it's going to be anything different than anything I've ever heard. Boy, was I wrong. Take a look at the chart at this one, guys. This one is special, guys. This one is actually special. I believe this company has the potential, Dynacert, to be an absolute monster. It hit $1 today. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what happened, I found out about this stock in August when it was at 8 cents, okay? So let's just say it was at 6 cents in America. My buddy tells me about it, and I'm sitting here thinking, yeah, I've heard it before. It's like all the other stocks. It's not going to do anything. Yeah, I've heard it before. It's not going to do anything, right? What does it do? It shoots up from 8 cents to 23 cents, and I get in. I'm just like, damn. He calls me up. He's like, Rich, are you watching? I said, no, I'm not watching, but what do I need to be watching? He's like, Dynacert, it's running. So what do? I buy it. One of the best investments I've made in a long time. And what does it do? It goes from 23 cents all the way to $1, where I sell at 97 cents. I make 4 times my money, more than 4 times my money. So I was very happy with my execution on Dynacert. Thank you, Paulo. Then the very next day after I sell the stock at 97 cents, they drop some huge news. Dynacert drops huge news the very next day. For those of you guys that are in America that want to know the American symbol is DYFSF. Dynacert, currently at 72 cents and up 10%. In Canada, it is up only 5%, I believe. But in America, it is up 10%. So I get in at 23 cents, and I start doing the show, and I start talking about it when it was at 29 cents. It was my first time I talked about it. Then I talked about it again when it was at 46 cents. Then I talked about it again when it was at 66 cents. Then I talked about it again when I sold it, and it was at 97 cents. And then the very next day after I sold it, I swear, I was like, what is going on here? How does this happen? They dropped this huge news. Huge news. In fact, let's pull it up. So if we go to bar chart and we take a look at Dynacert, you can see right now that they have an 88% buy with the strongest short-term outlook. And you can see that's currently at 98 cents, up 6.5%. But I like the fact that it's been going up steadily. Look at the chart, guys. Look at the 3-month performance. Do you see this floor here that got created around 70 cents? They created like a floor around 70 cents. And it was just walking around 70 cents, jumped up to like 78, came back down. You know, this is between 65 and 70 cents here, okay? They created a floor. Then what happens is this news comes out and this explodes all the way. You can see right here, this spike to $1. That's where I sold at 97 cents. I was very happy with my execution. The very next day, they dropped the news. The very next day, it drops the news. Let's read the news that they dropped. Shall we? The very next day, they dropped the news. Here it is. And they drop the news, the stock explodes, and what happens? IROC puts a halt on the security. For 4 days, the stock gets halted. It doesn't trade for 4 days. 4. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 days it got halted. And apparently this was at the request of the company. It says right here, the reason for the halt at the request of the company pending news. Very odd, right? IROC can make a decision to impose a temporary suspension halt of trading in a security of a publicly listed company. Trading halts are implemented to ensure a fair and orderly market. IROC is the national self-regulatory organization which oversees all investment dealers and trading activity on debt and equity marketplaces in Canada. This trading halt occurred, and the stock was on fire. It exploded all the way up. Let's look at it again. It exploded all the way up. It exploded all the way up. Look at the chart. Before this halt. To $1.20 was its peak. $1.18 actually was its peak. It went all the way to $1.18. So what did I do? Because I had won on this stock, because I loved this stock, because I fell in love with this stock, I got emotional and I chased the stock. It went all the way up to $1.20, and after the halt, like a fool instead of a sniper, instead of a ninja, like a fool. I went in there and I bought the stock at $1.03. It went all the way up to $1.18, got halted. I waited 4 days thinking, oh my God, it's going to go to $2, $3. Like, what's going to happen here? Why is this being halted? This is huge news. They had news that they're going to be making about $2.7 million in revenue. So I thought that was pretty big news. So I thought it was big news. I thought it was exciting. And what happened is this stock, after the halt, went from 118 all the way down to 79 cents. It's true. All the way down to 79 cents. Oh, here it is. It went all the way down to 79 cents. You can see it right here. Right to 79 cents on April 3rd. It went all the way down to 79 cents. So I didn't have a very good entry. I did not get in as good as I'd like. I did not sniper trade it. It went from 118 all the way down to 105. It went down to 103. I snipered it. I thought I snipered it. I ninja'd it. I got in, got out, got my money thinking, oh, it went down. It's going to go back up because the news is so good. But it didn't. It went down lower to 79 cents, and I felt devastated. An entire 24 cents lower than what I bought it at. Like a fool. So I've waited now since April 3rd. I've been patient. And I always believed in my heart that this was a good company. And I always believed in my heart that they halted this, they stopped this, they manipulated this movement to give people the opportunity to buy it here. And look what's happened here, guys. Slowly but surely, carefully and strategically, it has walked up all the way back from 79 cents. Today, it hit $1 again. Now, it's currently, I believe, at, let's take a look here, 72.5 in America, and it is at 98 cents as we speak in Canada. Just hit 99 and then hit 98. So I really believe this is a company that has won awards for being one of the top companies in Canada. This is a company that has huge opportunity. They're a company that, let's just read this, okay? Dynacert Inc. is engaged in the assembling, distributing, and installation of a patent-pending transportable hydrogen generator aftermarket product for use in the heavy tractor-trailer industry and into large stationary power generation. They can reduce emissions for vehicles up to 20%. That can be huge, not just for saving money on fuel, but also for the environment. Think about the amount of chemicals and toxic chemicals that are being put into our environment that this would be able to reduce in a very major way. So this is a company that I really believe in. This is a company I think has huge potential. This is a company I've told you guys multiple times and has continued to climb. And this is what I've told you guys, even when you find winners and you get in at a bad price, if you're willing to be patient, which I'm always patient, you eventually will win because winners will win. Good companies in the long run will win. The key is to find good companies. And Dynacert, I believe, is a good company. I believe they have huge potential. Look at this right here, guys. How incredible is this? Since the halts, where it says it went from $1.18 down to 78 cents, down 40 cents. Since the halt, on March 28th, April 3rd, it went all the way down to 78 cents. Look at this. In the last few weeks, since it went down to 78 cents, if you were a ninja or a sniper, you would have been able to make 25% in a few weeks if you just snipered this opportunity. In the last 3 months, since February 8th, if you bought this stock, you would be up 53%. And since July 6th, if you bought Dynacert, you would be up 1,300%. It's true. 1,300% if you bought Dynacert on July 6th, 2016. To me, that spells winner. And I'm going to continue to ride this because I love winners. Now let's read the news that came out on April 19th last week. Dynacert DYA on the TSX Venture, DYFSF on the OTCQB. Dynacert, or the company, is pleased to announce that it has received CE certification for its hydrogen technology, specifically the models HG1 Class 6 to 8 trucks and HG2 Class 2 to 5 trucks, refrigerated trailers and shipping containers, and HG3 diesel-powered ocean ships, locomotives, and stationary generators will all now carry the CE mark for shipments to clients within Europe. This is huge news, people. There's a reason why Dynacert is walking up every single day. This is a winner. And we're going to be ninjas, and we're going to be snipers, and we're going to win. And we're going to keep winning, and I'm going to keep bringing you guys the winners. Because if you guys focus on winners, if you guys focus on winning, if you guys focus on finding good companies, you guys will win. And that is my modus operandi here on Rich TV Live, is bring you winners every single day on all the different streaming platforms. That's right. We love you, YouTube, and we love you, live streaming through Instagram. And we love you too over there, FB. So we are streaming on all the live streaming platforms all over the globe. And my biggest concern is finding winners. And this is a huge winner. There are two main benefits CE marking brings to businesses and consumers within the EEA. Businesses known that products bearing the CE marking can be traded in the EEA without restrictions. This is huge for the opportunity of global expansion for Dynacert. Understand, what this means for Dynacert. Dynacert also put on a new VP of Global Sales. Mr. Enrico Schleifer has joined the company as the VP of Global Sales. He is fluent in English, French, German, and Italian, and has over 35 years experience managing large global sales and distribution agents. Mr. Schleifer states CE certification now paves the road to the European market and to my clients in Europe, states the new VP. I love Dynacert. Told you guys this. I've been telling you guys this for months. Since I've been telling you guys this, all this has done is gone up. I'm just saying. I mean, you could go through the archives, guys. Go through the archives. Go through the archives and see where I told you guys that I love Dynacert. And guys, it's got the big mo. And you know how I love the big mo. And anytime you see a stock up 1,300%, you know I love that stock. If you bought this stock in July and put $1,000 in, you would have been up $13,000. If you put in $10,000 in Dynacert, you would have been up $130,000 since July of 2016. And if you put in $100 in Dynacert, you would have made $1,300 on Dynacert. This is why I love Dynacert. And IROC, you can halt the stocks. Jim Payne, you can halt the stock. But I'm going to continue to talk about it. And I'm going to continue to buy your stock because I believe this is a company that has huge potential. And I believe this is a company that we are going to see that is going to grow and is going to expand. And I would not be shocked if you see the stock at $2 to $3 sometime this year. And I definitely wouldn't be shocked if you see this stock trading higher than that. My prediction, as Nostradamus, as the predictor of stocks on YouTube and all other streaming platforms all over the globe, is that you will see this stock at $10 one day. This company has huge global potential. It has approval with patents that are global, and these approvals are going all over the world. Now, what do you think when that patent goes into Asia, in countries like China, and in countries like India? What do you think is going to happen to this stock, guys? Like, let's be honest. Where do you think this stock is going to be when that happens? Because I'm telling you right now, it's going to happen. What do you think is going to happen to Dynacert when the whole world is watching Rich TV Live? And I can tell the whole world, guys, I found this stock at 8 cents, and now they're at 98 cents and climbing. I don't need to talk about 100 stocks, guys. I only need to talk about one, especially when that one is an 88% buy. Take a look at this. Let's take a look at the American side, because it's putting a spring in my step. Look at this, guys. DYFSF. It is a top 1% of all signal strength. 88% buy, top 1% signal strength. Long-term indicators say that this trend strength is strong. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of this trend. I believe this trend is going to continue because I believe in this company long-term. I believe long-term this company is a winner, and I believe it because I've already won, and I've already been a winner with this company. And like I've told you guys, look at the chart. It is up as low as 5.8 in America on July 15th. It is up 1,150% in America, 22% in the last month, 43% since March. It has rocket fuel. It is en fuego. And my question is, why are you not buying it? I'm just joking, guys. Don't buy any stocks that I talk about. Don't buy any stocks that I recommend. Don't buy any stocks that I even show you on the show. This show is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. I'm simply here to educate you guys and teach you guys about stocks. I'm simply here to teach you guys how to win and how to find winners and how to identify the winners. I can't tell you guys when to buy and sell stocks. Okay, guys? That would be illegal. I'm not licensed. I can't do that. What do I know? I don't know much. I'm just an average Joe. So, I found this stock, and I was lucky enough to find this stock because I have a very good community. A community of people that are watching. The question is, who is watching? Because if you're watching, you're winning. And if you're not winning, then I guess you're not watching. This puppy has legs. And this is just getting started. This is one of the hottest stocks in the world. This is one of the hottest stocks in Canada. This is one of the hottest stocks that nobody even knows about. But I'm telling you guys right now, we are going to be the ones that are going to bring it to the world. We are going to be the ones that are going to educate the public. We are going to be the ones that are going to win. Because I'm not going to let any stone be unturned. We are not going to allow stocks to go up in our face. We are not going to allow stocks to go up consistently every single day, every single month, and not win. When stocks go up, we are going to make sure that we are going to benefit. It's true. The power of the community is that we will find the winners. My commitment to you, the people, on all of the streaming platforms all over the globe, is that we will continue to find the winners. We will leave no stone unturned. And Dynacerts, oh Dynacerts, you are a winner, and I couldn't let you get away. And even though I made a huge mistake buying it way too high and getting emotional and chasing the stock, I know you've got plans. I know where you're going. And I know you're a winner. And that's why I'm not afraid. And that's why I'm not going to get scared. And that's why when the stock went down, I don't panic. And that's why when the stock went down, I never hesitated once and ever thought about selling my holdings. Why would I sell a winner? I considered buying more at a lower price. But because it got halted, I really didn't know what to expect. But now, I'm very clear. I got you, IROC. I got you figured out. Every time you halt the stock, that stock's going to go down. And it's going to find a bottom. And when it finds that bottom, this sniper right here, this ninja, will be ready. We'll be waiting to snipe her. Because now I know when you halt the stock, it's because it's a good company. And you're holding it back so we the people. I understand you now, IROC. I'm starting to truly understand you, IROC. You want the people to get in at a low price before it explodes. You are not our enemy. You are our friend. So when you're halting these marijuana stocks, I know what you got in store for us. You're halting them because they're huge winners. That's right. You're halting them because they're huge winners, and you want to give the average Joe, people like me, Rich D on Rich TV Live, Rich TV, Rich D on Rich TV. Who's watching? You're trying to give people like me, the average Joe, the average guy, a single father, the opportunity to buy the stock low before it explodes. So what were those 3 marijuana stocks that you halted? ACB, Emerald, and ICC. Mental note. Let me write that down. Let me buy some of those 3, okay? Those are the next 3 I'm buying. Watch. ACB, ICC, and what was the other one that you halted, IROC? ACB, ICC. Oh yeah, Emblem, which is symbol EMC in Canada. So I'm going to buy me some more ACB, ICC, and EMC. I have a direct arrow now that is telling me that if you halt the stock, that it is a great company, and long term, it's going to be a winner. Here's your proof. You halted Dynacert. It went from 118 all the way down to 78 cents. I showed you guys the chart. And now, that was on April 3rd. It hit the bottom. Now, we are hitting 98 cents on April 25th, 22 days later. We have gone from 78 cents to 98 cents. We're up 25%, 20 cents in 3 weeks. So where do I anticipate this stock going? Well, I think it's going to go higher. And I think it's going to continue to go higher. And I think it's going to continue to walk its way up. And I think it's going to continue to be a winner. And I love my winners. And when I find my winners, I don't really want to focus on anything else. All I want to do is focus on my winners. This is a winner. Get to know it. Get to love it. Get to understand it. Get to know its charts. This is a winner. And like I said, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Did you let this stock slip through your fingers and go up 25% in the last 3 weeks in your face? Have you let it slip through your fingers and go up from 29 cents to $1 since I alerted it to you guys on my show live before anybody else on the planet? Well, if you did, don't worry. Here in Rich TV Live, I will continue to bring winners, and I will continue to identify winners, and I will continue to bring you guys good companies. That is my modus operandi. I want to continue to find you guys winners. I want to continue to find you guys good companies, and I want to keep focusing 100% of our focus on the winners. And I'll write the symbol here for you guys if you guys don't know it. This one is a huge winner. It's one of my favorite stocks, and I believe it has huge potential, and I believe that if you are watching this show and you're buying Dynacert, that you're winning. Now, I have a lot of people I know that are watching the show, and they're telling me that they're watching Dynacert, and they're telling me that they love the company. So I'm pretty excited about what's happening here. I believe that this is just the beginning, and I believe that this baby has legs. I have a sell order up right now at $1.25. Just so you guys know, I have a sell order up right now sitting there at $1.25. At any point in time, if this thing explodes while I'm sleeping, while I'm out, while I'm traveling, while I'm live, if it explodes to $1.25, I'm ready to sell my stock. That is how I like to trade. I like to be relaxed. I like to buy low, sell high, find winners, and put my sell order up. And eventually, if it's a good company, it will hit your price. Okay? Now let's take a look at some other winners that are up today, that are on the NASDAQ. Take a look at ATRS at $3.05, currently up 8.5%. But I love the volume. It's traded 2.8 million shares. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Symbol is ATRS. Another NASDAQ small cap stock that I really think has potential. Take a look at this one. Another NASDAQ small cap stock, guys. Take a look at this one. SVU up 6.4% at $4.09. But look at the volume, guys. Traded 13 million shares. Okay? That is a lot of volume. Symbol, it's on the New York Stock Exchange, SVU. Take a look at it, guys. SVU. All I want to do is look for good companies. NASDAQ stocks are good companies. You don't get on the NASDAQ unless you have a massive market capitalization, unless you have a real company, real revenues, a real business, a strong management team. Most companies on the NASDAQ are really, really good, powerful companies. That's why we are going to become the masters of the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, the Amex, the TSX, and the TSX Venture Exchange. All I want to do is find you good companies, and all I want to do is find you winners. And trust me when I tell you guys, we're going all the way to the top. We are working with huge companies, and they are working with us behind the scenes to work with Rich TV Live to make us a global company. That's right, a global company. You can go to richtvlive.com and you can get our app. We have an app at Google Play, and we have our app at the Apple Store. I know, it's true. In addition to that, we are streaming on multiple devices all over the globe, and we will continue to find you guys winners, and we will continue to bring you guys good companies, and we will continue to protect your money. Because at the end of the day, if I can't find you good companies and I can't find you winners, then you guys will not win. And if you don't win, then there's no chicken dinner for you. There's no turkey, and we don't want that on Rich TV. We want you guys to get freedom. That's right. We want you to have freedom. And the only way to get freedom is to win. And the only way to win is to invest in safe companies, good companies, with great products, great management, great advertising. If you guys need exposure and you guys want to be one of those great companies, you guys need to join the Rich TV Live team. We can help you get recognized. We can help you get exposure. We can help you. At the end of the day, who doesn't want help? We work as a team here at Rich TV Live. We believe in teamwork. And we believe as a team, together, everyone achieves more. And I'm telling you guys right now, we are growing, and we are growing rapidly, and we will continue to grow. And it's because of the winners that we are growing, and because we can work as a community to identify the winners. So if you guys in the community that are in the chat room right now really want to win, if you guys really want to identify the winners, find me some winners, guys. Find me some winners. Bring me the winners, guys. Bring me something that I'd be excited to show to the world, so I can tell your name to the world, so I can give you recognition right now, live on Rich TV, on all streaming devices, so the whole world can see how smart you are, how great you are at finding picks, how great you are at identifying unbelievable, undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed opportunities. How great are you? I'm finding opportunities every day. Let's take a look at this one. Wow! What do you guys think about this one? And guys, I love the big board stocks. If you've got a good big board stock that's on the NASDAQ, I don't care if it's Berkshire Hathaway at $200,000 a share. Bring it. Bring it to my attention, people. I want winners. Take a look at this. HOTR. Look at this, people. At 29 cents on the NASDAQ, it's up 18%. It's only at 29 cents. Don't you think this could be a winner? At 29 cents, up 18%, traded 222,000 shares, 221,000 shares. This could be a huge winner, people. Like I say, I repeat, on the NASDAQ, you have to be at $3 to $5 to not get delisted. So when you're at 29 cents on the NASDAQ, you got a lot of pressure to get your stock up. This is why I want to identify NASDAQ small cap stocks. Do you guys at home have any good NASDAQ small cap stocks that I should be watching, that you should be watching, that the people at home, the people watching all over the world on all devices should be watching? How good are your picks? I want to know, how good are your picks? I want to know how good your picks are. How good are your picks, people? How good are your picks? I want to know your picks. Do you guys have the ability to scan the market in real time and identify winners? Give me your picks, people. I want to know your picks. I want to see your picks. Look at this. Since I've been talking about this, it has already started to climb. It is now up 20% at 29 cents on the NASDAQ. Could this be the next winner? Could it be the next winner?
Well, folks, it's time to kick it off.
That's what we're looking for here, people. Winners. How about this? M-A-R-I, Mary, a new medical marijuana IPO. M-A-R-I, on fire today. IPO'd yesterday. And what did they do today? Up 11.8%. Traded 1.8 million shares. M-A-R-I, Mary. What a great name for a medical marijuana stock, don't you guys think? Mary? M-A-R-I? Well, they're up 11.8% today on the Canadian National Exchange on the CNSX. They are winning up 11.8% today. Did you have some Mary? Do you have some Mary in your portfolio? Are you winning? Well, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Because we're bringing you the winners every single day, and we will continue to bring you the winners. Let me show you guys some big board stocks that are huge winners that I absolutely love. I'm going to bring you guys some big board winners. Take a look at Home Depot, guys. You want to see a winner? Guys, Home Depot is an absolute winner. You guys are going to watch me date Home Depot live right now. Home Depot, we are dating. We are now dating Home Depot and I. Home Depot is a monster at $153 on the New York Stock Exchange. I love me my Home Depot. Who loves Home Depot? You want to see the chart on Home Depot? I know this is the travel freak's favorite stock. He loves the Home Depot. He's a huge winner of the Home Depot, and he's been an advocate of the Home Depot. And since he's talked about the Home Depot, all the Home Depot has done has gone up. Let's take a look at the chart for the Home Depot. It is staggering. Absolutely staggering. And I'm going to keep bringing you guys big board winners that I absolutely love because I love good companies. I love winners. Look at Home Depot, guys. Let me get out of the way here. It is a 100% buy on bar charts. 100% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength. Oh, are you ready for this? And it fully supports a continuation of the trend. Look at the chart for the Home Depot. In the last year, it has been a monster. Especially since March 11th, it was at $119. That is a month ago, people. It just hit 153 today. I love the Home Depot. Home Depot is one of my favorite stocks in the world. HD is the symbol. They are loved by the travel freak. Naveed himself loves the Home Depot. And Rich TV Live, we love the Home Depot. We love winners. Would you like to see more winners? How about this? Let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix is up 6.5% today after I talked about it yesterday and said it was one of my favorite stocks. Well, guess what? It's up another 6.4% today. Are you kidding me? A big board stock up 6.4% today at $153 and traded 15 million shares. Who's watching? I need to know who's watching. Because if you're not winning, you're simply not watching. I'm talking about these stocks every day, and they just keep going up. Netflix is one of the hottest stocks in the world. One of the hottest stocks in the world. Let me show you guys this. I'm going to show you guys this chart because this chart is staggering. Look at this. See the trend here, guys? 100% buy, top 1% signal strength with a strongest short-term outlook. The strongest short-term outlook. The strongest short-term outlook. Let's look at their chart, guys. It is staggering. Look at this chart. Netflix has doubled. That's right. Netflix has doubled. Netflix was at $82 on July 18th, 2016. Today, they're at $152. That is a great company. Would you guys agree? All I want to do is bring you winners. I want to protect your money. Home Depot, Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Google. They are winners, people. Tesla, they are winners. I love them. I'm going to write those down, and that's going to become my new fabulous big board team. Tesla, TSLA, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, and Home Depot. I'm telling you guys right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is my new fabulous 7 in the big board arena. You guys can book it right now. You can book it. Tesla, Facebook, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, and Home Depot. I will help you guys. All you need to do is subscribe. And all you need to do is go to richtvlive.com and you can download the app at Google Play and you can download the app at the Apple Store. You can get the app for any device in the world. And believe me when I tell you, we will continue to bring you the winners. We will continue to bring sports, stocks, and trending information. We will continue to bring you travel information. We will continue to bring you the news. We will continue to bring you breaking information as it happens. We are looking for winners, people. We are looking for them every single day, and we are going to continue to find the winners. We are going to continue to win because that's what we do. We are winners. We are a community full of winners, and in our community, we identify the truth. We get down to the nitty-gritty. We really try to identify why these stocks are winning, why the stocks are losing, why they're getting halted, why they're a caveat emptor, why the marijuana stocks are down, why the marijuana stocks are up, why Dynacert is down, why Dynacert is up. We get to the bottom of every single deal so that we can identify the truth. And we can really figure out what is really going on in the markets. And how to really think like a tycoon. And how to position ourselves like the pros do to win. DYA, I love you, DYA. We will continue to watch you. We will continue to follow you. We will continue to watch your news. We will continue to bring your news and your updates to the people, to the public. So you, the people, you too can get an opportunity to get in on one of the fastest growing companies in Canada that is now expanding globally, has just now entered the European marketplace and is going to start penetrating Asia and the rest of the globe. So you guys heard it here first. Today we're talking about Dynacert. Thank you, YouTube. Without you, YouTube, none of this is even possible. But because of you, YouTube, we're becoming one of the fastest growing, strongest platforms on the planet to share information in real time. Dynacert is going to be a monster. Now I know it's a Canadian company. I know. For all of my American followers and viewers and subscribers in America, I know it's a Canadian company. You don't know what to expect. It's not an American company, but I promise you guys this. This is a good company, and I'm going to continue to watch it. I'm going to continue to keep my eyes on it. I'm going to continue to have it on my radar, and I can promise you this. Everybody that has this stock is excited. Everybody that owns this stock right now is excited about the future of Dynacert. And everybody that owns this stock right now is winning. And I'm telling you right now, everybody that has been buying this stock in the last 6 months has won. It's a fact. So if you bought it recently and it's come down, just be patient. Don't panic. This is a good one. This is a little Christmas present. And there's going to be a day where I'm going to look back at this video and I'm going to be able to rewind this video and I'm going to show you guys the evidence of today's video. Mark it on your calendar. April 25th, 2017. The day that Rich won. You can book it in your calendars. You can mark it. You can book it. This company is a winner. And the only thing that could stop it from going up more than 1,300% since July of last year was multiple trading halts by IROC and the company themselves. So trust me when I tell you guys, this is a company to be reckoned with. This is a company that I love. This is a company that I am personally a shareholder of. And this is a company that I will continue to watch, a company I will continue to monitor, a company I will continue to bring you guys updates on. And Dynacert, if you're watching all over the globe and you've got a representative that's watching this video, and I'm sure you probably will at some point have a representative that will watch this video, we'll work out a deal. We'll get you on the show. We'll give you the ability to talk to the people. We'll give you the ability to tell your story. And we'll give you the ability to win. We love you, Dynacert. We love any stock that's winning. And you're up 1,300%. How can we not love you? And how can we not be in love with you? And we're not just dating. We're going steady. And I'm pretty proud of it. I'm actually super proud of it. And I'm excited about what our future holds. You and me together, Dynacert. And for those of you that are watching out there that have Dynacert, congratulations. You're winning. And for those of you that don't, well, don't worry. There's more picks coming. There's more rich picks coming very, very soon. I got to go and do the research because in order to find these winners, we got to do the research. So I'm going to go and I'm going to do my research now. But you guys keep winning. You guys keep watching. And make sure if you like this video, you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Go to richtvlive.com, download the app, subscribe, and join our community so that you can get access to all the sports, stocks, travel, and trending information in real time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show. Because all I do is bring you winners 24/7, 365. Thanks for watching, guys. we'll see you next time. Thank you, Dynacert. I love you, Dynasur. I love it when you're in the green. I love me my green. I do. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. I love you all. We'll see you soon. Peace in the Middle East. And definitely in North Korea and everywhere else in the world. We love you all. Here in Rich TV Live, we don't advocate war. We don't advocate hurting people. We don't advocate violence. We want everybody in the world to work together. We want everybody in the world to be one. We want everybody in the world to work together to solve real life crises like Fukushima. That's what the world should be watching. That's what the world should be working together on. That's what the world should be doing as a whole, focusing on real issues, real topics, real problems. Let's be one and let's pray for humanity, shall we? This is a very scary time. I love you guys all. North Koreans, Americans, I don't care where you're from. I love you all. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe.